If you're tired of choosing between fuel efficiency and space, between proven reliability and modern features, or between practicality and affordability, this crossover is solving all those frustrations at once. While most automakers force you to compromise on something, whether it's paying extra for a hybrid that actually works or sacrificing cargo room for better fuel economy, the 2027 Corolla Cross is delivering proven powertrains, class-leading efficiency, and genuine practicality at a price that won't make you wince. Proven and capable. Here's what keeps people awake at night when shopping for a new vehicle: the fear of buying something with an unproven powertrain that'll leave them stranded or drain their savings on repairs. First-year models with brand new engines, untested hybrid systems, turbocharged setups that sound great on paper but fail at 60,000 miles. Toyota isn't gambling with untested technology here. The gas-only variant is utilizing a 2.0-liter inline-4 that's been powering Corollas for years. At 169 horsepower and 151 pound-feet of torque, it's not going to set any drag strip records, but it's getting the job done reliably, day after day, commute after commute. The continuously variable transmission has proven itself across Toyota's lineup. Front-wheel drive comes standard, with all-wheel drive available for those who need extra traction. The hybrid powertrain is where things get interesting. This isn't just about saving fuel. The hybrid setup is actually making the Corolla Cross more enjoyable to drive. The system combines a 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle 4-cylinder with 3 electric motors for a combined output of 196 horsepower. All-wheel drive is standard across the hybrid lineup. The hybrid is hitting 60 miles per hour in 7.3 seconds, while the gas version takes about 9.2 seconds with all-wheel drive. The hybrid's instant torque from the electric motors is making it feel more responsive throughout the speed range. Of course, having a reliable and responsive powertrain means nothing if you're constantly stopping for fuel, which is exactly why the efficiency numbers on this crossover are worth your attention. Excellent fuel efficiency. Nothing stings quite like watching the gas pump numbers climb higher and higher, knowing you'll be back in 3 or 4 days to do it all over again. Weekly fuel costs that rival your grocery bill, monthly expenses that make you wince when you check your bank account. Here's where the Corolla Cross is truly delivering value. The base gas-only engine with front-wheel drive is achieving 31 miles per gallon in the city and 33 on the highway, for a combined rating of 32 miles per gallon. Opt for all-wheel drive, and those numbers drop slightly to 29 city, 31 highway, and 30 combined. But the hybrid is where efficiency really shines, with an EPA rating of 46 miles per gallon in city driving, 39 on the highway, and 42 combined. This powertrain is competing directly with the best hybrids on the market. Real-world testing has shown the Corolla Cross hybrid is delivering around 36 miles per gallon on extended highway runs, which means the EPA numbers aren't just marketing. They're achievable in actual driving conditions. With a 12.4-gallon fuel tank, the front-wheel drive gas version is giving you around 400 miles of range, while the hybrid is delivering impressive range thanks to those efficiency gains. But saving money on gas only matters if you make it home safely, which brings us to the safety systems that are loaded into every Corolla Cross from the factory. Safety features loaded. Toyota isn't making you pay extra for peace of mind. The 2027 Corolla Cross is coming standard with Toyota Safety Sense, which means even base models are getting a comprehensive suite of active safety systems. Automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection is standard. Lane departure warning with lane keeping assist is also standard. Adaptive cruise control maintains a set following distance from the vehicle ahead and adjusts your speed automatically in traffic. These aren't luxury features. They're part of the basic package. Move up to higher trim levels and you're adding blind spot monitoring with rear cross-traffic alert. Front and rear parking sensors come on the XLE trim, along with a surround view camera system that gives you a bird's-eye view of your vehicle and its surroundings. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety has put the Corolla Cross through its battery of tests, and it's earning good ratings in multiple categories, including small overlap front crashes for both driver and passenger. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration is giving it 5 stars for side crash protection. All these safety systems are impressive, but they're packaged inside an exterior design that takes a completely different approach than most competitors. Exterior design unoffensive. We've all seen it happen. Someone buys the trendiest looking vehicle on the lot, something with dramatic styling and bold design choices that look cutting edge today. Fast forward 3 years, and that same vehicle looks dated, trying too hard, stuck in a specific moment in time. The Corolla Cross isn't going to turn heads at car shows, and that's actually one of its strengths. The design philosophy here is conservative, focusing on clean lines and proportions that won't look dated in 5 or 10 years. The front end features Toyota's current design language with a body-colored grille, along with a reshaped front bumper that gives it a slightly more refined appearance. The 18-inch wheels available on higher trims are filling out the wheel wells nicely without looking oversized. Many buyers in this segment aren't looking for attention. They want a vehicle that looks professional in office parking lots, blends in when they need it to, and won't embarrass them picking up clients or family members. Look at 10-year-old Corollas, and you'll see they still look appropriate on the road. That same philosophy is being applied here, ensuring that your 2027 Corolla Cross won't look hopelessly outdated by 2030. The exterior shows restraint and good taste, but it's what you'll experience on the inside that really defines ownership. Interior design. Elegant. There's a particular frustration that comes from sitting in a brand new vehicle and immediately hearing rattles, feeling cheap plastics that flex under your hand, or dealing with controls buried 3 menus deep in a touchscreen. You just spent $30,000 and the interior feels like it was assembled by the lowest bidder. The cabin of the 2027 Corolla Cross is taking a no-nonsense approach. You're not getting exotic materials or cutting-edge design statements. What you're getting is a well-assembled, thoughtfully laid-out space that prioritizes function and durability. Physical buttons for climate control remain, which means you're not hunting through touchscreen menus to adjust the temperature. The materials are mostly hard plastics, but they're textured appropriately and assembled well. There's no creaking or flexing in the dashboard. The cargo area is where the Corolla Cross is showing its practical side. With the rear seats up, you're getting 22 to 24 cubic feet of space, depending on drivetrain configuration. Fold the rear seats down, and the space expands to around 44 cubic feet. The available 10.5-inch touchscreen is responsive and runs Toyota's latest software. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard across the lineup. The available 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster on higher trims is clear and customizable. All these features and capabilities come together in a package that's priced to compete, which is the final piece of the puzzle. Release date and price. Here's the reality of shopping for a new vehicle in 2027. Sticker shock is waiting around every corner. What used to be a $30,000 vehicle is now pushing $40,000. Base models are stripped of features you consider essential, and dealers are adding markups that make the whole experience even more frustrating. The 2027 Toyota Corolla Cross is arriving at dealerships later this year. Pricing for the 2027 model is about to see minor adjustments from 2026 levels. The gas-only L trim will start at around $27,000. The mid-level LE trim will land in the $29,000 to $29,500 range, while the top XLE trim is probably going to come in around $32,000. The hybrid models command a premium, but the value proposition is strong when you consider the improved performance and efficiency. The base hybrid S trim will start around $31,000. The SE trim is about to be priced in the $32,500 to $33,000 range, while the top XSE hybrid trim is going to land between $35,000 and $36,000. Here's what makes these prices compelling. You're getting a Toyota with all the reliability expectations that come with the badge, plus comprehensive safety features standard and fuel economy that's going to save you money over time. Toyota has built a vehicle that doesn't ask you to sacrifice anything important. You're getting powertrains with proven track records, fuel efficiency that genuinely saves money, whether you choose gas or hybrid, comprehensive safety systems that come standard, styling that won't look embarrassing in 5 years, and an interior that's built to last. The Corolla Cross isn't trying to be the flashiest option in the showroom. It's trying to be the smartest purchase you can make, and for buyers who value reliability, practicality, and long-term value over temporary excitement, that's exactly what it delivers. But the Corolla Cross definitely isn't the only smart choice in the segment. If you're looking for something more rugged and more off-road, capable but equally practical, then you definitely want to check out our video about the Subaru Crosstrek and the key changes the company made for this year. New hybrid powertrain is here, ready to deliver next-level efficiency and all-wheel drive performance.